Tips on reducing the symptoms of arthritis. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. Consider joining an arthritis support group. Friends and family members who don't suffer from arthritis may have a hard time understanding exactly what you are going through and how much it affects your life. Connecting with other arthritis sufferers in a supportive environment can make it easier to cope with the chronic, day-to-day pain and other difficulties associated with the disease. Try using aromatherapy to ease your arthritis pain. Research has been conducted about the effects aromatherapy has on arthritis sufferers. In short, aromatherapy is able to relax the body's joints and muscles, thus relieving tension, inflammation, and ultimately pain. Cool down your joints and stop physical activity if you start feeling arthritis pain. Rest in a cool environment and use cold packs or mist of cold water to help reduce the pain and swelling caused by injury. Make sure to rest the injured joints and let them have time to get back to fighting order before using them for any difficult tasks. Go to a local yoga class. Yoga is beneficial to both the mind and body, as it increases flexibility in both areas. Yoga can teach you tricks on how to manage your symptoms effectively. Even if you cannot get out to a yoga class, you may want to try doing it at home. Get support from others who are dealing with psoriatic arthritis. The fatigue that is caused by this condition can make you feel closed off from the world. Do not make the mistake of drawing into yourself and thinking no one understands you. Joining a support group can do wonders for helping you accept your condition and find ways around your new energy levels. Strive to always get a good night's sleep. Sleep refreshes and energizes you for the day ahead, so it's important for arthritis sufferers to get enough rest. If you're having a difficult time sleeping, do all you can to make your room completely dark and silent. Talk to your doctor early and get treatment started as soon as possible. You can reduce injury to your joints by starting a treatment plan as soon as symptoms start. Take the pro's advice early and begin treatment immediately following the diagnosis. Make time for yourself. Setting aside at least 30 minutes a day to do something strictly for you should not make you feel guilty. Doing this can make you more productive and relaxed, which will in turn prevent flare-ups and painful swelling. Learn to relax, and you will find yourself in better health. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.